5-minute visualization meditation. Escape to the mountains. Welcome to your 5-minute mountain retreat, a place where you can reconnect with yourself and feel grounded in nature. Take a moment to let go of the busyness of the day and step into the stillness of the mountains. Find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through the nose and exhale slowly through the mouth. And let's try that together one more time. Inhale deeply, imagining the crisp mountain air filling your lungs. And exhale, releasing tension and stress and anything that no longer serves you. One more deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. Imagine yourself standing on a quiet mountain trail, surrounded by towering trees and rugged peaks. The air is cool and refreshing, carrying the faint scent of pine and wildflowers. You feel the earth beneath your feet, solid, steady, and grounding. Take a moment to listen. Hear the wind softly rustling through the trees and the occasional chirping of birds calling to one another. In the distance, you hear the gentle flow of a mountain stream. It sounds soothing and calming. Feel the warmth of the sun on your face as it peeks through the trees, casting light on the ground around you. Notice the cool shade provided by the tall evergreens, a perfect balance of warmth and comfort. Reach out and gently run your fingers along the bark of a nearby tree, feeling its rough texture and ancient and wise wisdom, grounding you in this present moment. Pick up a small stone and notice its cool, smooth surface resting in your hand, connecting you to the earth's energy. Take a deep breath in and notice the clean, fresh scent of the mountain air. Perhaps you smell hints of pine or blooming wildflowers. With each inhale, feel yourself becoming more connected to this peaceful, natural space. Now imagine stepping out onto a breathtaking overlook. Below you, a lush green valley stretches far and wide. Beyond it, mountain peaks rise majestically into the sky, their tips kissed by soft, fluffy clouds. Take a moment to marvel at the view. Feel a sense of awe and connection to something greater than yourself. As you stand here, you feel small, yet simply at peace and deeply, significantly part of the vast, beautiful tapestry of nature. Feel the gentle breeze against your skin, carrying it with a sense of freedom and possibility. Each breath, let the peace and stillness of the mountains fill your entire being. Imagine your connection to the mountains growing stronger. Picture roots extending from your feet deep into the earth, anchoring you to this steady energy. Feel the strength and stability of the mountains flowing into you, grounding you, and filling you with calmness and clarity. Repeat to yourself, I am grounded and connected. I am one with the earth. I am at peace in the stillness. As your time in the mountains comes to a close, take a moment to thank this space for its peace and beauty. Feel gratitude for the cool breeze, strong trees, the breathtaking views, and the grounding energy of this earth. Take a deep breath in, inhaling the crisp mountain air one last time. And exhale slowly, carrying this sense of connection and calm with you. Gently bring your awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes, stretching gently if you need to. When you're ready, open your eyes, feeling refreshed and grounded for the rest of your day. Repeat these affirmations throughout the day. I carry the peace of the mountains within me. I am calm, grounded, and connected. Thank you so much for joining me. If you enjoyed this meditation, subscribe to my channel for more meditations like this.